Hi.
Is he doing the X-ray?
Hi. Really like.
Wow.
How does it taste?
So,
Really?
wait.
Akpụkpọ agidi.
Is he doing the
Gina, say
X-ray?
hi.
Is he doing the X-ray?
Hi.
Mommy, is he doing the X-ray?
Yes, yes. The other one, your right hand. It's confusing. How does it taste?
So sweet.
Really?
Wait.
Agidi.
So yummy. Okay. Wow, what did you use?
It's just I just did it the normal way. It's my first trial.
This is beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
I will rate you 98 over 100.
Ah, you
This
are
is good.
meet my cousin. Oh.
This is good, man.
We are seeing ourselves for I think it's over 10 years. When you got married? No. Okay. But over 10 years, Sha.
Wow.
Wow. Let's see what we have here. So someone sent me this package and I said I'm going to be opening it with you guys. So this is the first we have is a hand cream. Hey, do you guys know how much this is? And someone give them. I'm so grateful.
Yeah.
These are sheet marks for under eye. Wow. I'm loving this. These are on these. This is a vitamin C. Wow. And the last thing we have here, scented candle. Smells so nice. Wow. Maybe I'll be taking you guys when I'm doing my skincare routine on how to use this. I'll show you guys. If you are seeing this video, this is me saying thank you so much. I really appreciate this gift. I know you will see this video. Thank you.